to what I was saying. Could be us. Could be us.
Geely HomTruck. This truck is a modern-day model of a mobile home, capable of transporting massive loads. Geely desired a modern clean energy truck that was not just quick, self-driving, and safe, but also as comfortable as possible. The HomTruck will be capable of receiving software updates over the air and was built with autonomous driving in mind. According to Geely, the initial trucks would include some self-driving features, with more features coming in 2026 and fully autonomous driving scheduled for 2030. Trucks will be able to speak with one another on longer trips in order to maintain a safe speed and distance. The first Tesla semi-trucks are expected to hit the market in 2022, while the Geely HomTruck will be delayed until 2024. It can be powered by a number of engines, including hybrid and all-electric systems. Fast battery swap technology will be available on the electric version of the truck, which will take only a few minutes. The electric version will have a range of 1,100 kilometers. Kamaz 6355. Kamaz has announced the start of a new stage of testing for the promising Kamaz 6355 wheeled platform. The 4-axle truck has already been pushed through its limits in the middle lane, and now it must prove its worth in the Arctic. The true future of the new development will be determined based on the outcomes of such tests. Truck chassis Arctica, Kamaz 6345, and Kamaz 6355 were built utilizing similar solutions but differed substantially, resulting in a distinct level of performance. A 3-axle truck with a total weight of 30 tons can carry 13 tons of cargo, whereas a 4-axle vehicle with a total weight of 40 tons can carry 16 tons. Future Arctic tests in extreme climates are likely to reveal the need for certain design modifications, but they are expected to be successful overall. This will enable serial production and subsequent operation of the two new wheeled platforms in a variety of organizations. Freightliner supertruck. Meet the world's most efficient freight concept truck. The U.S. Department of Energy issued a challenge in 2009 to truck manufacturers to push the boundaries of experimental high-risk, high-reward technologies in order to design and show a highly efficient truck that is at least 50% more freight efficiently. The supertruck challenge also required the engine to have a minimum of 50% brake thermal efficiency. It's not an easy task. The Freightliner supertruck is a model of efficiency and innovation. It's also a great illustration of what can be accomplished when professionals from Daimler, universities, national labs, and other organizations come together for a single goal. Aerodynamics, engine, powertrain integration, parasitic losses, hybrid, lightweighting, energy management, and waste heat recovery are among the 8 workstreams of the supertruck program, each with its own efficiency goal. Mercedes eEconic. The population of cities is increasing. Demands on mobility, logistics, the environment, and quality of life are all increasing. Mercedes' response is a commercial vehicle capable of meeting the challenge. It is powerful and efficient, and it ensures the highest level of safety for all road users. It provides long-term solutions to the growing pollution burden in urban areas, while also providing optimal working conditions for both the driver and the crew. With powerful powertrains and an innovative direct-in cab with panoramic windows and intelligent assistance systems, the bodybuilder-friendly truck provides significantly improved safety. You may enjoy unlimited access to environmental zones thanks to ergonomic entry and departure, intuitively placed instrumentation, and, last but not least, the optionally available natural gas engine. Together, we're looking to the future. Volvo VNL 860. Volvo Trucks has presented the latest model of its Volvo VNL semi-truck, which is the first complete redesign of the trucking industry standard since 1996. When you spend the most of your day on the road, you'll need a space to stop for a break. Fortunately, the Volvo VNL 860 has a 77-inch sleeper cabin, giving you enough of room to build your own home away from home. This cabin is also equipped with a selection of comforts, such as a microwave prep station and a TV preparation kit. Inside this cabin, you can feel assured that you will have lots of amenities to work with. You'll also have a climate control panel right next to your bed, allowing you to adjust the temperature of your cabin to whatever you like. You'll have all the conveniences of home right inside your truck, no matter where you are. Tesla Semi-Truck. The Tesla Semi, unveiled by Tesla CEO Elon Musk in November 2017, is the company's debut into the commercial trucking sector, a fully electric vehicle with an autopilot function to support semi-autonomous driving and ensure drivers' safety on longer trips. The Tesla Semi's electric batteries function in a similar way as those found in other Tesla cars and should be able to power the vehicle for between 300 and 500 miles before needing to be recharged at a charging station. The Semi, according to Tesla, has a badass performance, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5 seconds, or 20 seconds when fully loaded with an 80,000-pound load, the highest it can carry on US roadways. Energy consumption per mile is said to be less than 2 kilowatt-hour. The greatest diesel trucks, according to Tesla, can go 45 miles per hour up a 5% grade, whereas its truck can go 65 miles per hour at maximum gross load. Musk claims that the Tesla is meant to be like a bullet rather than the barn wall design of diesel trucks, with a drag coefficient of 0.36 compared to 0.65 for a normal truck, which is better than a supercar, according to Musk. The size of the side flaps corresponds to the size of the trailer being moved, which improves efficiency. Sleipnir Tatra. In Iceland, the Tatras turned the Phoenix into a rough bus with gigantic wheels. This is used to carry tourists across the glacier. This tourist tour requires exceptionally powerful truck, including the powerful modified Tatra Phoenix. Tatra trucks are famous for their ability to deal with challenging terrain. To complete this amazing tour in Iceland, the abilities of a copy of Phoenix have evolved significantly. Tatra was given a customized bus superstructure, and because it is expected to be operated in difficult situations, the designer modified the chassis and wheels of the tires into massive off-road tires, which were previously intended for agricultural usage. This vehicle has been adjusted to have a very comfortable cabin for tourists, and at the same time, to be able to go up to 60 km per hour on the glacier. Tatra Tree Mover. Another special application for the Tatra Phoenix vehicle. Tatra chassis with a special superstructure designed for tree transplantation for the German customer. The Tatra Phoenix can not only transplant mature trees, but also transport them over extended distances. This truck has an extremely sturdy and resistant frame that allows it to function in every weather condition and on any terrain. In addition to having excellent traction, all of its first 2 axles, as well as the last one, is steerable, giving it extremely efficient work mobility. The ideal combination of machine and carrier vehicle ensures that the tree is transported with care and, above all, safely. Volvo Iron Knight. The Iron Knight from Volvo Trucks has twice been the world's fastest truck. In the standing start 500 and 1,000 meter contests, it broke the world record. In every aspect, the world record breaker is a custom combination. The engine and the series-manufactured I-Shift dual-clutch transmission are the only exceptions. The Volvo Iron Knight is a 4.5-ton vehicle with 2,400 horsepower and 6,000 Nm of torque. As a result, the truck's power-to-weight ratio is greater than 0.5 horsepower per kilogram. To keep the vehicle's weight down, the electronics have been reduced to a minimum. Furthermore, the software has been reprogrammed for maximum efficiency. The truck's cab is similarly composed of fiberglass and is aerodynamically optimized. Finally, huge air intakes on the side skirts are supplied cooling air to the engine. Rudolf Maier logging truck. Two innovative vehicles operating as one. Rudolf Maier from the Black Forest drives the first new ARFF to be set up for long timber haulage with the Dalratiaplus trailer. Rudolf Maier masterfully maneuvers the crane's jaw to take up the trailer that is resting on his ARFF's rear portion. He cautiously lowers the two-axle trailer behind the truck to the ground. He then grabs one of the massive planks that line the forest road. He raises the massive log and places it on a comb, a protruding portion of the crane boom with spikes. He may now utilize the log to maneuver the trailer into the proper back position, following which he can begin loading the remaining logs. Rosenbauer PANTHER ARFF. The Rosenbauer PANTHER is one of the most successful, effective, and multifunctional ARFF vehicles in the world. It is the most modern firefighting vehicle of our day, thanks to its multi-award-winning design and tremendous performance. The PANTHER idea stands for excellent chassis, bodywork, and firefighting system integration. A guarantee for long-term ARFF vehicle maintenance. Rosenbauer manufactures a broad variety of firefighting vehicles that meet both European and American standards, as well as providing a full range of equipment to fire departments through a combination of vehicles with extinguishing systems and an extensive equipment program. Rosenbauer's key strengths include the development and production of firefighting systems and extinguishing components. And the backstory behind it is nothing short of amazing. For more than a century, Rosenbauer has designed and manufactured its whole line of firefighting systems. The PANTHER family of firefighting equipment forms a fully integrated and powerful system that opens up a world of possibilities.